If you want to give your photos a completely different look in just a few taps, Lightroom Mobile profiles are one of the fastest tools you can use. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply profiles in Lightroom Mobile step by step, what they do, and how to use them the right way without over-editing your photo. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Lightroom tips. Let's get into it. First, open Lightroom Mobile on your phone and choose the photo you want to edit. You can start with any image, whether it's a portrait, a landscape, or a photo you already imported into your library. Once the image is open, tap the Edit panel so you can access the editing tools. Now look for the Profiles option at the bottom. It usually appears as a small 3 squares icon. Tap that and Lightroom will open the Profile section. This is where you can quickly change the overall look and feel of your image before doing any detailed adjustments. Inside Profiles, you'll see different categories to choose from. One of the most common is black and white, also shown as B&W. These profiles are great when you want a classic monochrome look. You may also see color profiles, which are designed to enhance your image while keeping it in full color. Depending on your version of Lightroom Mobile, there may also be creative or artistic profile categories available. To preview a profile, just tap on it once. Lightroom will immediately show you how your photo looks with that profile applied. This is really helpful because you can compare different styles before deciding which one fits your photo best. If you like the result, tap the profile again to apply it. After applying a profile, don't forget to adjust the amount slider. This controls the intensity of the profile effect. If the look feels too strong, reduce the amount. If you want the style to stand out more, increase it slightly. This is one of the most important steps because it helps you keep the edit natural and balanced. Once the profile is applied, you can continue editing as normal. You can still adjust light, color, effects, and any other settings you need. In fact, profiles often work best when they're used as a starting point and then refined with a few extra tweaks. For example, you might brighten the exposure, lower the highlights, add a little contrast, or slightly increase vibrance after choosing a profile. A good tip is to choose a profile that matches the mood of your photo first, then make small edits from there. If your image is bright and airy, a soft color profile may work best. If you want something dramatic, a B&W or high contrast profile can give you a stronger result. The key is to experiment and see what fits your style. So just to recap, open your photo, go to Edit, tap the Profiles icon, browse the categories, preview a profile, apply it, adjust the amount slider, and then continue editing with light and color adjustments. That's how you apply profiles in Lightroom Mobile quickly and easily. If you found this guide useful, please like the video and subscribe for more Lightroom Mobile tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.